Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the Art Bit. This is a time that we put various artisans on the spotlight. Today, we're going to be talking DJ and we're going to be having a chat with Livingstone. All you have to do is be there. Do not go anywhere. Tell another art lover that Art Bit is on your screen. The name is Chisom Nyirenda. Please do stay with us. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
I was telling people that we're going to be having a chat with a DJ, a Livingstone Fowowe.
Yes, Fowowe, yeah.
That does not sound Malawian at all.
Oh, yeah, it's not Malawi.
It's not Malawian.
No, it's not.
It's from what nationality?
So Fowowe is a Yoruba word.
Ah, Nigeria.
Yes.
Bawoni.
More.
All right. So,
yes.
How did you start DJing? How did you get yourself into loving music to the extent of you starting to DJ?
So this was last year in August. One of my artists, Tamika, she had her EP launch, and before that time, when we launched the EP, we would always meet at her house, and Chamba, obviously Chamba is one of the best DJs in Malawi. So
definitely one of the best.
I would find a deck at their house and I would just play. Yeah. And there was a day that she was like, "Why don't you just take this thing serious?" I was like, "Okay." So I went and I got a deck. Actually, my first deck came from Chamba.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
The very first one I had was Chamba, the one who gave it to me. And then started practicing, started watching YouTube videos and stuff. And I had fun, because I was like, wait, I can actually this is actually
so cool.
It's like so fun. You can play endlessly, just play music endlessly, and it's just very, very interesting how you get to move from one song to another song without anyone noticing that the songs have changed. Yeah. So that month I was just mostly watching YouTube videos, basically. I would go on YouTube, watch Shimza.
YouTube University.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Priceless, right? So I would watch DJ Shimza. I'd watch some Black Coffee.
Oh yeah.
Some Tara. I was just watching performances.
Why are you giving house vibes?
Because actually the funny thing was the very first song I played on a controller was actually house music.
Yeah.
And it was easy to mix and just play without having to think about tempo or key or all those things. It was just easy. It was literally so easy.
Yeah.
I tried hip hop. I couldn't DJ hip hop.
Okay.
I tried Afrobeat. It was fun, but it was hectic.
A little hectic.
So the easiest thing that I could learn quickly was house. Yeah. So it kind of became my best my go-to genre of music to play. Yeah. So this was last year in August.
Yeah.
And then so I started to look for places to play. And I remember reaching out to the club that time, along the just before Gateway Mall, before you turn to Gateway Mall. There used to be a club that was upstairs in a high-rise building. So I approached them and they said, "Yeah, sure, come DJ
so
for us."
So you used to go DJ there.
So I would go there on
Saturday
Fridays.
Nights,
yeah, Friday nights, Saturday nights, and I'll just practice.
How was that experience there?
It was really.
Because clubs are crazy. You're dealing with people that are high.
Yeah, if you listen, I said it was a new club, right? So they had no people coming in already. So it was easy to practice because there was no one watching what you're doing. You just maybe one or two people having a drink. That's right.
So we would say that was officially your first gig.
That was I think that was weird.
Did you get paid for it? Or it was just exposure?
No, I did. No, actually, when I started, I actually wasn't even looking for exposure. I just wanted to practice. So I actually got paid for it. I got paid for the gig. Yeah.
Oh, that worked out well for you.
Yeah.
That was when. That was all still in August.
That was still in 2024. Not August anymore. September.
Months later.
It was actually the next month, September. Yeah, I think it was September. Was it? I don't think it was September.
Yeah, maybe October, November, somewhere.
Because I had gone to Lake of Stars first before I started doing that. No, actually, it is September.
Yeah.
Because I remember I had to stop, I had to quit so I can go to Lake of Stars.
Priorities.
Because it was either I came that night to play and get paid, or I go to Lake of Stars and play.
Have fun. Oh, you were playing?
Yeah, I was playing for Tamika.
That was that made sense.
Yeah, I was playing for Tamika and Hazel
Lego Stars is a very good platform, so I definitely understand
the
priorities.
Yeah.
All right, so I understand. I've known you as a producer.
Yes, I
And
am a
now
producer.
we're talking to you here as a DJ.
Yes.
How do you like coexist rather between the two? Does one help out make the other craft better in a way? Are they sort of like, because I think most DJs know how to produce, because you have to create your own mixes and all that. Please help me understand.
Of course. Actually, back in the day, it was the DJs that would play, and then they realized that, oh wait, we actually need to start producing, because that's how we can actually keep the music longer.
Most DJs make good producers, actually.
But for me, it was the other way around. I actually started producing first.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, nobody's gonna play my songs, so I might as well become a DJ and play my own songs. And so most of the things that I see, like while I produce, I see them while I'm also like DJing. It's like the songs have structures.
Yeah.
There's an intro, there's a verse, there's a chorus,
and
sometimes a bridge, second chorus and outro, right? So now it's the same thing with production. So all I do is literally just look out for where the intro is on the current song I'm playing, and where the outro is on the next song, or wherever. Like, say if I have a vocal that I know people are going to resonate with, I just like play the first song, wait till the part I know I can bring the second song in, and just mix it in, and then you probably not even notice.
I really want you to help me understand. Let me use an example. Uncle Waffles, you know Uncle Waffles?
Yes,
right?
I do.
I understand she's a producer and a DJ as well. I'm not really sure, but there are certain songs that
she's a producer as well. Like most people who actually DJ in SA are also producers. Yeah,
they make the beat.
They make beats,
and then people jump on the beat, create vocals. They own the song.
Yes,
and it goes out there. Uncle Waffles, she'll DJ and dance to it.
Exactly. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah.
All right.
So the privilege of being a producer and a DJ is that you can get an artist into the studio and you can make a song with them, and it's going to be your song.
Yeah.
And because you understand how like festivals work and events work, you know what people want to listen to when they're like, ready to dance. So you just make that. Right? Yeah, and then you go out and you play that to the people.
Know that you're saying all that like it's just simple like that. It's so hard because now I really need to understand how you do your thing. How much music are you listening to? Because now, if you're saying you have to know what people love in festivals, there's another one that loves house music. There's another one that is like an amapiano. There's another one that loves Afrobeat to the core. There's another hip hop. Even in hip hop, there's another like underground rap music. The other one is like trap. Those type of things. How do you merge all this and still keep up to know what is trending? Despite what is trending, like what is good actually, what is actually good, because I understand it's not all the times that you have to go with what's trending. Maybe sometimes
that's true.
This is good. I think it has to be
because the funny thing is what works for me might not work for you as an artist or as a producer or a DJ. Like when I want to like maybe say listen to music, I would not go to the like regular places people go to, like Spotify. I would probably like watch a movie and wait till the movie finishes, or like listen to that music and then get some ideas and look for genres of that kind and stack up, like say
it's that deep
playlist.
I thought you just go to Spotify.
Most time, sometimes I do go to Spotify. Yes. When I just want a quick idea of what to like listen to, like I'll just type in chill piano, or like I'll just type in some like simple stuff. But when it's like I really want to like dig into moods and music, because most of the times what really carries the emotions in movies is the music.
Yeah.
So like I would watch a movie. Like today, before I came here, we were watching Venom. And
that is diabolical, but okay.
Okay. I waited till like the end of the movie, and the soundtracks.
Oh yeah, they're actually super cool.
Yeah,
for such a very interesting movie.
No, like so like you see that kind of thing, right? So because music has that kind of power.
Yeah.
So that's usually how I would go searching. If I was really like sitting down to search for music that people haven't heard, that's how I usually do it. Or I just chill with my friend Daniel. So Daniel, I don't know if you know Daniel Trindad.
I know.
He's director DT. So Daniel has like been a very key person, like in how my music taste has grown. because he's so like he has so much knowledge about music.
Nice.
Like not music as in like theory, but like he knows songs, like he knows
Songs, like
artists,
the
he knows bands and stuff. So he has
the proper knowledge.
knowledge, you know.
Yeah.
So I just go meet him. Oh, Daniel, what song works here and here? And he tells me, and I go make a playlist. Or he makes a playlist for me and he sends it to me and I listen to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, speaking of playlists,
Yeah.
you're going to. I understand you were performing at the Liquor Stars this year. Congratulations!
Yes, thank you very
man.
much.
That is so cool.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
How I want you to take me through your creative process to create a playlist that you're playing at Lake of Stars 2025. What are you including in there? Is it your test, or since you've attended Lake of Stars before, you know the kind of vibe that is there?
Yes.
How best do you go about it? I just want to understand that.
So funny thing is I actually had a whole plan for my set for Lake of Stars. And then I got there and then I saw the way people were like dancing and like enjoying music. I was like, I don't think I should do what I plan to do. So I had to like come up with like a quick plan. So I went up like at 11 p.m. and 11 p.m. people are already tired. Like you just want to like sit down. So the best for me, what I thought in my head, best kind of music to play to those people would be house, Afro house.
Okay.
Because it's not too fast.
Yeah,
it's not too slow.
To like accommodate people.
Yeah, it's like if you want to dance, you can dance. If you want to chill, you can just like move your hand like this. That's
no
it.
one is sweating.
No one is.
Much.
Yeah, exactly.
You still need to conserve energy.
Yeah. So for the first 30 minutes, I just did Afro house. Then when I saw that people wanted to dance, I switched to piano and then did some.
So it's possible that you have your playlist that you created prior to the event.
Yes, it's possible.
And then you get to the event, you just like this is not going to work. You switch things up.
Yeah.
You have like my bag up.
So the funny thing, is that if you know how to read a crowd, it's actually easy for you to pick the kind of songs to play at an event. So basically, when you walk in, you look at the way people talk.
Okay.
How they like react when music plays. Because usually there's always background music.
Yes, true.
Some people even have headphones on. Like you're like, okay. So like you just watch that. If they're teenagers, obviously they like to listen to hip hop.
Yeah, true.
Old school hip hop, trap. Yes. If it's like our age, like young adults, they listen to piano, Afrobeats, so and house. Yeah. So you just know, okay, if I'm gonna cater to this audience that is mostly young adults, I'm definitely playing Afrobeats, piano.
So
and house.
Knowing the audience is very
important. So that you don't go and play reggae to people who want to listen They want to listen to
exactly. I don't know who, but they want to listen to J. Cole.
Exactly, or Kendrick. Yeah. So it's very important that you know who you're playing the music to.
All right. And I understand so far you've probably interacted with several DJs that have existed for some time in the country. You mentioned Chamba.
Yeah.
How does those interactions help you? And also, I want you to just give me maybe like a view of how the DJing industry is like in Malawi for you guys.
Yeah, actually. So because I'm really new, it's been 1 year since I started DJing here, and I've not really had time to have those kind of conversations. But I can actually like give you a response. So for me, my experience has been very interesting. I realized that it's the DJs who actually carry the music industry.
Yeah.
In any country, even like it's not just Malawi.
Because you make music. Who is gonna play music?
Yeah. Because if you go to any of the places where people go like to go do enjoyment stuff, like you would find that there's a DJ playing. Yeah. And people are dancing, right?
And I've in my experience, I've gone to a festival, a concert, and I hear a new song and I will like Shazam it right there.
Exactly.
Thanks to the DJ.
Exactly. So now you can learn, you can actually like build your own playlist and stuff like that. So they actually have so much power, but then because of I don't know what it is, but maybe they don't know that they have that much power.
Yeah.
I think it's just the knowledge of like what you are actually capable of doing as a DJ. Like you literally you're the one who puts breaks the artist to the public.
Makes or breaks.
Yes, because like imagine, say no DJ was playing Joe Icon's tunes in the clubs, no one's gonna know about him.
True.
Yeah,
I agree.
The songs will be great, but like because no one's playing them, no one is gonna know about the songs. So it's like they actually have a lot of power, but I don't know.
Knowledge.
Yeah, the knowledge.
The self-awareness.
Yes,
It's not there.
Yes. Because that's why I actually became a DJ, because I knew that eventually I'd be doing tours and I'd be playing my own music, just like Back Off he's doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shimza. Yeah. So it's just knowledge that they are actually holding the music industry.
Yeah.
If they don't play those songs in the club, nobody's gonna know about them.
Still on the importance, is there anything you can point out as, okay, in my 1 year plus of DJing in Malawi, I think these are the challenges that I've encountered, and whew, yeah.
The elephant in the room, huh?
Right.
So I think the only thing is, because it's a form of art, right? You're supposed to be able to like put whatever price tag you think it's worth to that art.
Yeah.
But because people just think, oh, you can just go on Spotify and play your music, so they would treat the DJ like the DJ Spotify.
Yeah.
And that's not
I pay $3 for Spotify.
Yeah,
what are you saying? I need to pay you
that's not it. Like
500,000.
I've seen DJs go to events and like they get paid like 30K, and I'm like, bro.
And they accept that. That's where the problem is.
Yeah, like, and I think when you look at like where they're coming from, they don't understand that, oh wait, there's actually more value that you're adding than you're getting back.
So I think that the sooner, it has to start from within, because if I get a 30K, chances are next time you come, you're charging 500,000.
You just got 30K, like
get a life.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why it has to like you have to, and I think it's just a problem of branding, like having your own brand and the way you show up.
Yeah.
Because if you come and your presence is not felt the way it should be felt, definitely the value that people put on you would be. It's just psychology, like
it's just, psychology 101.
Yeah,
definitely.
It's just so. I think one of the challenges that I have really faced is being able to like get the value for what I'm actually putting out. Yeah. So I would say, oh, this is my price, and someone would be like, bro, that's too much. Yeah. And I'm like, okay, fine.
It is what it is.
Yeah, and those are the challenges.
The next one.
Yeah, those are the challenges that we have, honestly.
All right.
And yeah.
Okay, Livingstone. What do you call it? I was gonna call it something else.
This is a controller.
Okay.
It's a Pioneer controller. It's a SP3.
So Pioneer.
Yeah, Pioneer.
That's a good brand, because I've seen a lot of
DJs. Most DJs love brand. Like Pioneer is definitely like the go-to. Yeah,
quite portable also.
Yeah,
you carry it anywhere with you. So this is what you use to do the craft. Do you do your own like mixes, fusions, and all that?
Yes, I do. I actually have.
I'm ready.
I actually have what you call like a YouTube channel where I post mixes. Yeah,
nice. That's really good.
Yeah, I was doing every Friday before Lake of Stars. I think I took a break for like 2 Fridays. Yeah, but I was posting every Friday. Yeah.
All right. So what happens here? Okay. Just like in brief.
In brief.
Yeah.
So first things first, you've got faders.
Yeah.
And this is also a fader. It's a crossfade. It helps you move between each track you're playing. So you can play on this deck. You can play 2 tracks at once.
Oh,
you have deck one.
Like dishes.
So back in the day, they used to be like vinyl. So they used to like constantly rotate. But now, because modern technology has let us have these.
So when you're spinning that, what are you doing pretty much?
So basically, like if you see on the screen, right? You see how the track is going
waves,
forward and backward.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So basically,
a way of like
it's a way
fast forwarding it or rewinding it in a way.
Some people actually use it to like scratch. Yeah. Just like you would have on a vinyl. So like this, you could use it to scratch. Say if you're a hip hop DJ and you like scratching, it's really cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's all we had time for in today's edition of the Art Beat. I'm sure you've learned a thing or two about Livingstone. If not him, at least you've learned something about DJing, because also I was being schooled. Yeah, we've learned definitely a lot from his journey as well as his craft. Many thanks to you for being there. Until next time, this has been Chisomo Nyoenda. Please do stay creative.